Hey and howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Inc. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you the folio that I said I would. I made this using my new collection, which I shared with you in my last video. Hopefully y'all liked it. But this album, or this folio rather, is just to show you what you can do with it. Now, to create this folio, I printed one of each of the pages from the collection. I printed them as an 8x8 because I don't have a printer that will print 12x12s. Besides which, I like the 8x8 size. I think it makes a really good album size. 12x12 papers are great. I sometimes have a hard time using them. Anyway, so this was one of each page, and I made one extra of one of the plaid patterns and then one extra of the one that had the cute little squirrel, which I cut the squirrel out and used the rest of it for other pieces. So without further ado, this is just a simple trifold folio. So it has a kind of a left cover and a right cover and then a back. And it has two sets of pages. So I kept the cover very, very basic. So this is just, this is one of the papers from the collection, and it's nice and flat. This is just paper from the page that has the cute little squirrel on it. So I just cut a strip there. This is again one of the papers from the collection, and then this was also from the page with the squirrel on it. So I just cut a couple extras and I made a photo mat with a little bit more. So very basic closure for this. It's just again some more of my chiffon ribbon that I love so much. When you open it up, I left this blank just because I really like this one. So I left this blank, but you could put, photos in all the corners. You could put some journaling. I mean, you could journal right on this if you wanted to. And then so I made some photo mats, and this is one of the cut aparts from the collection, and I left this open so you can tuck photos right in there. And then when you open this up, we have, this is the first page on the left side. So again, this is just a basic photo mat, but I left these open so you can do journaling here, you can do journaling here. And then when you open this, I just left this kind of basic because I kind of really like these patterns. But I did leave this photo mat open, so this is just a tuck space. And then I kind of created a cute little tag that you can add some journaling to as well. So this is on the right side. So this page, again, this is open, so you can still tuck your photo in there. One of the cut aparts. This is also one of the cut aparts, so you can use it to do some journaling, and you can tuck other pieces in here as well. And then I just added this little tag that you could use to do a little bit more journaling as well. So flipping this open, this is again one of the pieces from the collection, and then this is one of the cut aparts. This again is open, so you can put a photo on here. These large ones are for 4x6 photos. So this white piece is actually 4.25 by 6.25, so that you get a proper full mat from your photos. This is for a 3x5 photo. So all of the ones that are this size are 3x5s. So the white is matted at 3.25 by 5.25, so you can place your 3x5 photo directly on here without losing anything, and it's still got that nice mat. So again, this is another little tuck spot, so it's got a little pocket, so you can do some journaling here. Let's just tuck in there. This is the back of the first page on the right side. or the second page, depending on how you want to look at it. So this was from the second piece that I had cut for this little guy, and I just fussy cut him out. I did leave it open, so you can easily tuck your photo on here still. And then I did leave it as a pocket. So these are just a couple. This is one of the cut aparts, and this is part of the remainder of the page from cutting the little squirrel out. It was just tuck in there. When you open this, this is the back of the second page on the left side. So again, another photo mat and another tuck space. So this is one of the cut aparts, and then a little tag for journaling as well. And then this is, I don't really know how to look at the right side of the page, but this is one side of the second page, I guess. Again, this is left open, so this is one of the cut aparts. It's kind of like a checklist almost. And then we have a couple more of the larger cut aparts here and another little tag. So you can mat another small photo on here. You could do some journaling. All of the backs of these, they're all matted on the black cardstock. So you could do journaling with like a white jelly roll or you know, silver or gold or something like that. And then you open this up like this. In the back of this page, you just have another larger photo mat. Again, it's open so you can still tuck your photos. We have another pocket with another couple of the cut aparts and another tag. And then this is just a pocket, and it has kind of the rest. So you could put a photo on here, but this also has two of these mats, so you could easily just, you know, mat a photo on here, or you can put a photo on here. You could use it for journaling. And then we have a few more photo mats, just plain photo mats. So we have two that are that size, and we have one of the 4x6 ones. We have a couple more cut aparts and a larger little tag, smaller cut apart, a couple more, and three of the super small. So that is the folio that I created using my collection. So this collection is available on my Etsy shop if you are interested in purchasing it. I will put a link in the description for that as well. So I hope you enjoyed it. I would love your feedback on the collection itself, just because I've made a number of these in the past for myself, but I have never shared them publicly. So I would love any feedback that y'all have, good, bad, or otherwise. So if you wouldn't mind, leave a comment below and just let me know your thoughts. Until next time, thanks everyone, and we'll see you soon.